So the other night I had a couple of beers and I was like, I bet I could put the engine in this car. So this is the result. Enjoy. So far the first thing I installed was this little black piece here. Obviously the difference is very noticeable, but test one is done. Put here, here, and here, and then there's some tabs in the middle. These. Alright guys, so I got the clutch pedal out. I'm gonna go ahead and yo, what's going on everybody? It's your boy La Base back again with our next one. And today we got full day. The Z finally gets new hot. And I managed to get the engine and chance to get it off camera, but the plot thickens. Look at that. I'm literally about to push it on. I was fighting with this plate. I'm not gonna play with it anymore because I don't want to fight with it again. But we about to throw it off. No, no, no! Why? Oh man, that sucks. I guess you gotta get to see the fight all over again. Okay, we got this far before. And there we go. Let's go. Gotta find bolts. So I got my bolts all nice and organized by length. I'm gonna go ahead and put them in, and then we'll have a transmission on the engine. Yo, homie Blake just came over. We're gonna go ahead and get everything situated. Y'all already saw me do everything and get it situated and whatnot. So we're gonna get it in position, figure out where I'm gonna sit the camera down, and then we're gonna start stabbing it in there. Bam. You see, that's why you a smart cookie. There we go. Yep. Ooh. It's on camera. You gotta get it now. Come on, you can do it. It's close enough. Yeah, we not, no, we can't fuck up the purple paint, no. You know what, I'm gonna get some blankets. I think it's good. Oh, wait. I'm gonna wait for precautions. Can't ruin my paint. Axel? Alright, put down. Wait, let me move my foot. Alright, so now. Wait, my foot. Come down. Alright, now. Now some more. Hold on. I need to get on. Ah, no, I'm stepping on the paint. Oh. Huh? Oh, wait. Go up. Go up. Yeah. It's on the line. Okay. Good? Hold on. What the fuck is... What? We need to come back some more.
Come back.
Yeah.
Up?
No, like in. Like
Oh, yeah, no.
Yeah.
You gotta let it down.
Wait. Go up. It's on the line again.
You ain't gonna have no power steering.
Man,
You ain't gonna have none.
man, I put the power. I just swapped the power steering pump just so I would have power steering. What you talking about? We gotta come back some more. A little bit more.
Damn hoses. Uh-oh. Overtaking somebody.
Oh boy. I'm gonna do it with the 10.
Is there enough space?
Yeah. Grab me the GoPro real quick.
The drill with the 10?
Yeah. You can just take the suction piece out.
Here you go.
Thank you. So right now, this is the issue we're bumping into. I don't know if you guys can see. Right there, by the, yeah. And then off the rack. Thank you.
Where's the 10 at?
It should be on there. It's like one of the shallow looking ones. Yeah, these lines are getting in the way of the oil pan, so I'm gonna pull this line off and see if we get a little bit more clearance. Thank you, sir. There you go. There she go. Hold on.
Can you come up a little bit? You got the motor mount on this other side?
Yeah.
Hell no.
Oh no, the top half ain't in it.
Hell no. This guy. You ain't got no motor mount on this side.
Hey, half of it is in there.
There ain't no half of nothing.
It's not there?
No, you just got the motor mount on the actual engine. You ain't got the bottom piece or the top piece that go into it.
Damn. Okay, no, that is over there somewhere.
Look at that. You ain't seen that side yet, have you? Now, where the other half of that at? It's not on the engine. Here it is. Yeah.
What's top, what's bottom, bro? I
Are
don't
these
know.
both blown out ones?
I don't know.
Just look at that one. That one has a...
Oh, where's the GoPro? Don't do this, okay?
Your motor mount shouldn't do this, you know.
That's not how it should be. But I need this in here now, so.
You telling me this thing gonna take that off?
You finna find out.
You finna find out?
Boy say no way. Damn, look at that. Let's go.
Now you hear
Alright.
Yeah. Alright. That's how it's supposed to be intended.
This one, you are responsible for this.
Alright.
I'll put that in. Thank
You
you.
gotta fill out some more, I think. Yeah, try to go. You need to pick up more on the driver's side of the engine more.
Okay, try.
Come down?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll take it.
It's right. Hold on, stop.
Oh yeah, it's right there. We come up on it just a little bit. Yeah, we need to come up on it.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. That was smooth. Alright, cool.
We good. Both of them sitting on them. All right. Want me to let it down all the way? Because it's going to sit on the firewall, so you're going to need a supported transmission.
Yeah, let me get some for that. Actually, do you see that little crack there next to the crate? It might be under the blue tarp. The little bootleg jack. The one no one ever wants to use.
That's the one.
That's the one.
Let's put it down there real quick before we start working. Yeah, I got you. Oh, it's dark in there.
Yeah. I'll give him a close up.
All right.
So here we go. Engine fans is in. You guys can't see much, but there she is. Everything's in. Everything's lined up. A makeshift engine. But I definitely couldn't do this alone. So thank you, Blake. All right.
Someone got dirt in their mouth.
Oh, I would say disgusting.
So what, we're letting down some? Not yet?
Man, let's go.
I had to get this on video. This part right here.
It's in there all by itself. Wow.
Minimal casualties.
Yeah, minimal casualties to the engine bay. Got nicked right here.
Can you take him driving down the road?
Man, you talking about a time bomb.
We need to pull up and let us work on it.
Yeah. Man, appreciate it, bro. Yeah, y'all boys go follow Blake, man. If anything, I know I ain't got the biggest subscriber base or anything like that, but go follow the homeboy Blake. His Instagram's gonna be like right here. Man. Man. The race car is almost done, bro. Man, I can't stop looking at this thing. I can't believe it's all in the car. Everything just needs to get plumbed up. I got most of the wires all situated. I had Blake help me tape up and see where everything goes so I could mark it and make it a little bit more clean, but wow. It's a different feeling to do it inside the car. So I think this is the appropriate place to end the video, right here inside of the project that is creating this channel for me. This man gonna get bopped. Oh, that's what I thought. You better run. I can't believe the progress we've made. Like, we come so far. The car's almost ready to go racing. The first thing I'm gonna go do is drift. Like, I've been wanting to do that forever. I've got a sim inside. I've been practicing. And speaking of which, if you want to watch that, go ahead and follow my Twitch. I'm gonna be doing some stuff on there pretty soon. But I'm just ready to drive, man. I can't wait anymore. And we're right there. I just need starter, alternator, and appreciate you, Landon. I think that's how you pronounce your name. I'm going to link you right here, give you a shout out. He put me through to the Z-Bruhz. The man hooked it up. The man has everything I need. I just need to find the money for it. But I can't wait, man. Like, it's so close. Everything's in. I technically could start the car if I had the starter, but I don't. So we're gonna end the video here. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, click the bell next to the subscribe button to make sure you don't miss a video. We got some dope stuff coming. I cannot wait until this car cranks. It's gonna be crazy. And then on top of that, I got 2 projects I'm not telling you guys about, but when we hit the 100 subscriber mark, let's see, I'll expose one project when we hit the 100 subscriber mark, and then we'll see. Anyway, if you like the video, go ahead and leave a like, leave me a comment, let me know what you think of the project. If you know anything or have any suggestions on anything, go ahead and leave it down below. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell next to it. I was going over my analytics, and if you're watching this video, then you're probably part of the 69% of people that watch my video and don't hit the subscribe button. I really need to get my subscriber count up for me to get my sponsor deals and to get out there to more people. So I really appreciate it if you could do that for me. Only if you like my videos. If you don't like it, then by no means. I don't need no toxicity or anything like that. I'm just giving you a friendly reminder. If you like my videos and you want to see more of me, go ahead and click the subscribe button, hit the like button, because it helps me out, gets the video out to more people. You know, there's obviously more people doing what I'm doing, so damn, I'm rambling now. If you made it this far, comment down below, rambler. Oh man, I appreciate y'all. I'll see y'all in the next one. Hold it down, be safe, be healthy, and that's about it.